Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most awaited smartphones of the year, the brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max. The upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to redefine premium smartphones once again. Apple has packed this device with next-generation design, performance, and camera technology that takes the iPhone O experience to a whole new level. This beast will be the Apple A19 Bionic chip, built on a 2nm process, offering lightning-fast speed, incredible power efficiency, and next-level AI performance. This chip will make gaming, multitasking, and camera processing smoother than ever before. The new iOS 19 will come pre-installed, packed with intelligent AI features like smart photo editing, live translation, and personal voice assistance that adapts to your daily routine. In terms of the camera system, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will take photography to the next level with a 200MP main sensor, improved night mode, 8K video recording, and AI-enhanced portrait shots. The periscope zoom lens will allow up to 15x optical zoom, making distant shots look perfectly clear. The design will be sleeker and lighter, with titanium body 2.0, thinner bezels, and a stronger ceramic shield. Apple may also introduce a fully portless design with MagSafe 3.0 for faster wireless charging and data transfer. Battery performance is expected to last up to 32 hours of video playback, with a new AI-based battery optimization system. Overall, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be the most powerful, intelligent, and premium smartphone Apple has ever made. A perfect combination of design, technology, and AI innovation that will redefine the future of smartphones. This might be the perfect flagship for 2026. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel IPm Mobile, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.